Hello?
Hey, what's going on? Spider Nation Gaming here, and something awesome happened today.
Do what?
If you look at that right there,
Oh, wait, dude.
those are baby chicks, and
That ain't no problem.
little box
I
lamp,
hear you. But I mean, if you want Joshy to hang out over
baby
here.
chicks.
Dude.
There's 6 of them. 6.
If you a shop say, drop them off now.
There we go.
Oh, okay. I got you.
Got the water.
okay.
I got the water.
Oh, Wisconsin's giving Villanova a shot here, dude.
So, yeah, water though. Okay, so the gold
Okay, no, it's all good,
ones
dude.
are my brother
We didn't even go to,
Zachary's.
MMA today, so, because we were messing with these chicks.
These 2 right
So,
here are mine, and those 2 right there are my brother Caleb's.
Yeah.
So, yep, just recording the
All right,
video.
dude.
Just
Well,
recording
come on
the
down,
video.
Get ready. Or, drop Joshy off, whatever. It don't matter.
Yeah.